Okay, problem number 10. Problem number 10, let me see, hold on. Is dividing. So you're going to divide the big numbers and you're going to subtract the little numbers. Okay? So what's 12 divided by 16? 12 divided by 16. And hit the little fraction button is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. So right here, I'm going to draw a long line. I'm going to put 3 on top, 4 on bottom. Got it? And I know that it's not D and it's not A because that's 4 over 3. Then you start subtracting the exponents. So my x, I'm going to subtract 4 minus negative 2. 4 minus negative 2 in decimals. So right here, I'm going to put 4 minus a negative 2 because I'm subtracting them and it was a negative. So it's a positive 6. So here I'm going to put that my x is 6. So because it's positive, it stays on the top. So it's x to the positive 6. Okay, then I'm going to do my y's. Is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. What does that give you? 3. And it's positive, right? So my y stays on top. The z's, both of them are negative. So when I do z, I'm going to do negative 10 minus negative 5. Negative 10 minus negative 5. Negative 10 minus negative 5. It gives me a negative. Okay? What does that mean? If my z is has a negative 5 exponent, what does that mean? Where does it go? At the bottom. If it's negative, it goes at the bottom. And you make it a positive. Okay? That's how you do that problem. That's how you get the answer. Let's go to the next one. Problem number 11. Make sure that you wrote everything down. Problem number 11. Area of a rectangle. How do you do area? How do you find area? You multiply. Multiply. So I'm going to multiply these two. So write it down. 36, a to the 9th power, b to the 8th power, times 6, a to the 3rd power, b to the 4th power. So we're going to multiply the big numbers. Multiply. What's 36 times 6? 36 times 6 equals? I'm waiting. What's 36 times 6? How much? 260? 216. Oh, wait a minute. So see, now I know that I messed up because none of the answers have 216. So let's go back. We didn't read correctly. What does it say? This is the area. So that is the area. If the length is this, so now I'm working backwards. Okay? Because now it's division. 36, a to the 9th power, b to the 8th power, divided by 6, a to the 3rd power, b to the 4th power. Because it's asking for the width. Remember, area is length times width. But if I'm working backwards and they give me the area, then I divide by the length to give me the width. So you're dividing because they gave you the area. Area goes on top, length goes on bottom. So what's 36 divided by 6? 6. Okay, that looks better because I have 2 with 6's, right? And then subtract these 2 and then subtract these 2. So it's going to be 9 minus 3, that's for my A, and 8 minus 4, that's for my B. So figure it out, and that's how you get the answer. Okay, the last one, problem number 12. It says a circle has a radius of this. So this is my R. This part is my R. The area of a circle can be found using this formula. What is the area of the circle in square centimeters? So write this down. Area equals pi R squared. This is my R. Right? My R is right there. This is my R. And they told me that R is this. So I'm going to put that inside. Okay? That's what you're going to do tomorrow. So make sure you're paying attention. This is my R, so you put it inside. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to distribute this to the 5, to the 8, and to the 4. Okay? So 5 square is the first thing you start with. You have A equals pi 5 squared. What's 5 square? 25. So those are 2 of my answer choices. And then what do I do with these 2? The 8 and the 2. Power to another power. What do? Add or multiply? Multiply. It's going to be 8 times 2. What's that? 16. So my x is to the power of 16. And then multiply these 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So my y is to the power of 8. Okay, this is the only thing that you're going to put in Desmos. So in Desmos, I'm going to put parentheses 5, close parentheses square. That's how you get the big number. Okay, if you have any questions about any of these problems, make sure that you ask me and make sure that you study for the test tomorrow. I know some of these are hard, so that's why you have to study. If you're able to do most of these by yourself, then you should be good tomorrow. And don't forget to put all your answer choices in Schoology and turn in the assignment, okay?